Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable print spooler service on Windows 11. If you don't want to allow any users on your PC to print a document or don't want to save any document or web page as PDF, you can disable the print spooler service. This is the quickest and easiest way on Windows PC to stop printing jobs. Please note, after disabling print spooler service on your Windows 11 machine, fax and print will no longer work. How to turn off print spooler service on your Windows 11 PC. First, press the Windows plus or keys simultaneously on the keyboard to open a Run dialog box. Next, type services.msc in the Run box and hit Enter key on the keyboard to launch the Windows Services panel. Now, scroll down to find the print spooler service. Then, double-click on it to open its properties. When the Print Spooler Properties dialog opens, click on the drop-down next to Startup Type and choose the Disabled option. Then, click on the Stop button. Now Windows will stop the print spooler service. Finally, click on Apply and then the OK button. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you want to watch more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.